Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how to share a Vrbo listing. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in Vrbo website and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here, you're gonna find your place for together. Right here, go into dates and right here, you're gonna find travelers and right here you can search. If you go right here, you're gonna find your recently viewed properties, get inspired for a family trip, and some suggestions right here. And right here in the top, you're gonna find get the app, your region, trip boards, list your property, help, my trips, inbox, and lastly your account right here. See also your cash and so on. So for example, I'm gonna set right here one traveler. Dates, I'm gonna set any random dates like this, done. And in going to, for example, I'm gonna choose United States of America and then click on search and just wait for the results to load. And then it's gonna be like this. So for example, I'm gonna choose this one, click on it. And then once it's finished loading, it will look like this. So right here, we're gonna find the name of the listing. Right here, some details like bathroom, how many sleeps, Wi-Fi and air conditioning, outdoor space, barbecue, and so on. And right here, you're gonna find the pictures if you want to see some pictures. And basically, guys, if you want to share this listing, if you are on PC, just go right here to the top and just copy the link, Control+C, and then you can share it to anybody that you like. And if you are on the phone, you will have the share button. Just click on it and you will share the link with anyone that you want. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.